Hi you guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be showing you two different ways you can secure that last track down to your frontal or your closure, whichever you have. I'm working with a 6x6. Used to be a frontal, but I changed it to a 6x6, and if you haven't already seen the video, I will put the information in the description bar below. So basically what I'm doing now is I'm taking the 3 tracks that I did take off, and I'm going to go ahead and start sewing those back down. I'm not yet attaching the weft to the frontal, or actually this is going to be a closure, so I'm not yet attaching the track to the closure. I'm just going to go ahead and sew everything down, and I'll just let you keep watching until I get to the top.
I think we got to hit one. We gotta hit one. I think we gotta hit record. I think we gotta hit record.
Okay, you guys, now on to this last weft. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and thread the weft that you're going to sew down. And as you can see, I'm going to show you here up close that you're going to go underneath the weft, attach it to this end of your closure or frontal. You're going to attach it to the little brown piece, which is the lace. So as you can see, I'm going underneath the weft. I'm going to attach it to the last portion of this closure, going through that portion, not through the whole frontal or closure, just through the little lace on the back of it, and I'm going to secure that down. So again, I'm going to do that one more time, underneath the weft, through the closure, and securing it down. So I'm just going to go ahead and secure the weft down until I get to the top, and then I'm going to go ahead and sew the last weft that I did cut off. I'm going to sew that, and I'm going to attach that to my closure.
I think we gotta hit record. I think we gotta hit one. 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 I think we gotta hit record.
Gets on the beat.
Okay, you guys, the last weft, honey. So get that needle and thread again, going through the closure lace portion of it. You're going to secure the track to only the end of your closure or frontal. You're not going to go through it. You're going to only secure it through the back portion, which is the little lace that you're going to see on there. And you'll be able to distinguish it from the whole lace itself because it's like darker than the rest of the lace. But again, going through the lace portion underneath the weft and securing it down, and you're going to see as I go across here how everything's going to pretty much be seamlessly sewn down so that you don't see the portion of the frontal. And this is how that you secure the weft down to the first portion of your track. So this is the first way, and then I'm going to get to the second way in just a minute, but I'll let you keep watching. you guys, I'm all done. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for, honey? Subscribe to this channel. But I'm going to show you the whole 360 or 180, whichever it is, of how it looks sewn down to the frontal or closure. And as you can see, there is no gaps in between, so this is going to be a seamless finish, you guys, if you want to do this first way. So now I'm going to go ahead and get into the second way of how you sew the last weft down, not to the frontal. You're going to leave a little space. So as you can see, I'm going to go ahead, I've already removed the tracks. I'm going to go ahead and start sewing those down, and I'll be back to fill you in when I get to the top. Okay. Okay, you guys, we are at the top, honey. Last weft, and as you can see, I'm showing you how you're going to attach it, not connecting it to your closure or frontal. You're not going to connect it this time. You're going to leave that little space. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with my first stitch, and I like to secure my sides down. So sometimes I do a triple knot, which is basically looping the thread around 3 times and then securing it down, and then I sew across. So I think I showed you at the beginning of the video, but if you didn't see it, comment down below and I'll make sure to put it in any of my next videos. But this video is strictly for those looking for 2 different ways or 1 way that they can sew their wefts down to the closure or frontal. And there's so many ways that you can do this, you guys, because frontals are different, closures are different, and yeah, that's just pretty much how it is. But if you haven't already purchased your bundles, you're missing out. Head over to the website www.beautybundles.com and order yours now. Valentine's Day is coming up, so you may want to get your order in, honey, so that you can get that hair girl slayed to the gods. Okay, but yeah, back to the video, you guys. As you can see, I am sewing this down, and I use a single stitch, 1 knot. You see I'm looping the thread over and then I pull that through, but you see I am not connecting the frontal or my closure. I am not connecting it to my weft. I'm leaving a space so that it is not connected, and this way helps you. Basically, if you wanted to change out your frontal or your closure, you can do so without taking the whole unit apart. So this way is for those who don't want to wear their frontals or closures for a long extended period of time. They want to take it off maybe every month or 2 or whatever the case may be. This method will be for you because you don't have to worry about basically just taking the whole wig apart and redoing it, or sewing. You don't have to worry about taking it all the way apart and redoing it again. You just have that space so you can go ahead and cut the frontal or closure off and then re-sew another one down. So this method is for those looking for an easy way to remove and reinstall their frontals or closures. So if you have any questions, make sure you comment down below. Your girl got you. She got you. She'll help you out. You know, I'll just let you keep watching. Okay, you guys, this is the finishing looks. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you thumbs this video up, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and follow your girl on social media, beauty bundles, and the rest of the information will be down in the description bar below. Share this video with a friend.
We don't deal with y'all some more brand. We can buy the hitters that we want, real talk, man.